How to replace Venepuncture skins and veins. Pull the skin down the arm and remove the foam shoulder and bicep muscle. Using distilled water stops mold build up inside the veins. Unplug the old veins from the manifold and remove from the grooves. Plug one end of the tubing into the manifold. Work the tubing along the correct channels. Repeat for all 4 veins. Your NASCO manual can guide you. Reinsert the manifold and cover with the muscle pad. Lubricate the inside of the skin. And insert the arm. Slide the skin over the core and guide the fingers and thumb into the correct holes.